Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's talk with India and Igor.
Welcome back, everybody.
We have a very special video for you today. Today is all about getting ready for your hospital stay. So we want to take the stress out of that experience because the unknown is sometimes scary and we want to make it a pleasant experience for you. Stay tuned if you like some tips.
Tip number 1.
Okay, tip number 1 for everybody. Pack your hospital bag about a month before your due date. Babies are unpredictable. They can come whenever they feel like coming, and so you need to be ready. Now, when we say pack your hospital bag, we are not saying to grab a giant 50-pound luggage-sized bag that you're going to take to Jamaica after everything is over. No. Going to Jamaica will be great. But no, we mean like something small, compact with just your necessities. And we're going to go over exactly what you need. Remember, you don't need everything. You just need whatever is going to make you feel comfortable. And we're going to go over that momentarily.
So like a duffel bag is fine, a book bag is fine. I had like a Nike size duffel bag, like what you see people use in the gym.
Gym size bag is good.
That's good. So before we talk about that, the tips or what to put in the bag, let's talk about what the hospital will give you because the hospital is very accommodating. For your hospital stay, you're going to get some essentials such as toiletries, gowns, hospital socks, and things that's going to help the woman during postpartum care.
They even have a fridge. Don't be scared to use it.
Where did you see a fridge?
They had snacks. Remember, we got like
Oh,
pudding
yeah,
and cookies.
yeah.
I mean, cookies aren't in the fridge,
Yeah.
but they have some stuff.
Yes.
Sandwiches.
Okay. We're not talking about food right now.
Tip number 2.
So, what should you pack? Let's get mama ready for this experience. Like Igor said, try to pack at least a few weeks in advance. Don't do like I did and wait till the last minute. So, in the actual bag, you want to make sure you have comfortable, loose fitting clothes, at least 2 outfits. Think comfort over style and luxury.
No high heels.
So you want to make sure you're comfortable. You want to make sure the clothes are loose fitting. And you also, going back to you said no high heels, maybe some flip flops or some sneakers for walking around, some house shoes. So you're just comfortable. Just think comfort is the key. In addition to that, always have your documentation that you'll need. For example, like your driver's license, your ID, your insurance card. And don't forget something that's very essential that some people forget.
What's that?
A charger.
A charger.
You want a charger for your phone, for your laptop, anything like that, because you want to stay connected. You want to be able to give people updates. And you want to be able to just be a human and still use your technology while you're waiting for baby to come.
Of course, you're going to take lots and lots and lots of pictures, so you definitely want to have a charger for that.
Tip number 3.
Okay, so taking care of mom, super important. But you can't take care of mom unless you take care of the support person too. So whoever is there backing you up in your corner, you want to make sure they're ready and comfortable too. You don't know what kind of hospital stay you're going to have, whether you're going to have a couch, a chair, or maybe you have to snuggle together in the bed. I don't know. But you might want to bring something comfortable for yourself as well. Something that's going to make you enjoy your stay and make it that much more easier for you as well.
Tip number 4.
You should also bring with you something for your baby. You're going to take your baby home in a fresh outfit, of course. And so think of what you might want to get. You could shop around. There's different places. The thing is, you might not know how big your baby is. So if you don't get the exact size right, it's okay. Take the pictures. It will be great memories regardless. Also, you don't need to bring thousands of diapers with you. Believe it or not, hospitals give you formula and diapers and different types of creams for your baby. What you might want to do is actually save some space in your bag so that you could take some of that stuff home. Hospitals give it away for free.
It's not for free. Your insurance or your pockets will pay for it. So take it all.
Yeah, one way or another you're paying for it. So yeah, take it for sure. It will help you.
Tip number 5.
Let's talk about the next topic, downtime for mama. So you're going to have time before and after the baby's there, right? Because you have to do recovery, whether it's vaginal or C-section. And you don't want to be bored. And sometimes you have to be alone, right? If your support person is working or if you have no support person. Always ensure you have something that's going to bring you pleasure, such as like your laptop, a journal, a book, some music on Spotify. So make sure you have that packed in your bag and ready to go because you never know how long your hospital stay is going to be.
Hopefully not too long.
Tip number 6.
You might want to consider also bringing with you something of sentimental value. Maybe a picture of somebody in your family, maybe a picture of a dog that you have in your home or something like that. This way you can, even though they're not there physically with you because they're at home or wherever they are, you will still be able to think about them and remember them, and you will make that space more like your home. It'll feel more cozy and welcoming. And that might make you feel more emotionally, I guess, calmer and just ready for the whole experience.
I agree. Like during contractions, you might want to look over at something that brings you joy, something that shows that you got this.
Tip number 7.
Believe it or not, you actually cannot leave the hospital unless you have a car seat. So don't just jump in and buy anything just so you could have a car seat. Take your time, do your research. We strongly recommend you try to get one of these systems because they have like certain systems that's like a stroller and then it's a car seat and then you could switch parts and it's foldable. And there's so many amazing ones out there on Amazon. Definitely check them out because then you could be ready for everything. And it essentially grows with your baby as well.
Tip number 8.
So once you've chosen the car seat of your choice that you really, really like, make sure that you know how to install it yourself.
Ooh.
Because these car seats, if it's especially one of these multi-part ones, you need to know how to be able to take the car seat out, put it back in. And it's not difficult, but you definitely want to make sure that you are equipped with that information or knowledge. And if you don't know how to install a car seat, ask a friend. I believe they install them for you at police stations. So
I think fire departments too.
Fire departments too. So
Or YouTube it.
or you can just YouTube it. So definitely make sure you know how your car seat functions. That way when you come in style, you come in confident, you come in ready to go.
Okay. Anything else?
No?
Okay.
Tip number 9.
So with all of this we said, we know it's a lot to take in. You might want to turn this video into a checklist for yourself to make sure you're not forgetting anything. But just remember, you got this. Stay calm, keep it simple, and trust that the hospital will support you. And again, if you forget anything, if you have a support person, they can go home and grab something. Worst case scenario, if you're doing it by yourself, Seamless has the ability that you get from CVS, from other stores, and even Walmart will deliver.
Tip number 10.
Just be careful. When you order from Seamless, make sure you know exactly where to put the pin for the pickup or delivery address so that when you go outside or you have somebody go outside to go get you whatever you need, they didn't leave it somewhere in Antarctica and then you have no idea how to get your stuff.
Very true.
If you like this video, definitely check out some of our other videos on our channel. We have a video for you for how to help the baby making process a little easier for you. And we also have, well, the baby's home. Now what? What are some items that you should have that can make your life a lot easier? And after you watch those videos, check out some of the other videos on our channel because they will definitely be interesting for you. And stay tuned because we're gonna have a lot more lifestyle and parenting videos for you guys.
Thanks for watching.
All right, bye everybody.
Bye, guys.